Hello, everyone. In this video I will explain would rather than, would rather, and would rather have. 1. Would rather than. Used to express a preference for one thing over another. Used to compare two options and state a preference for the first option. Examples. 1. I would rather swim than run. I prefer swimming over running. 2. I would rather watch a movie than go shopping. I prefer watching a movie over shopping. 3. She would rather read a book than play video games. She prefers reading a book over playing video games. 4. They would rather eat ice cream than cake. They prefer eating ice cream over cake. 2. Would rather. Used to express a preference for one option over another. Used to indicate what someone wants or prefers to do. Examples. 1. She would rather stay home tonight. She prefers staying home. 2. He would rather sleep in on weekends. He prefers sleeping in on weekends. 3. She would rather visit the beach than the mountains. She prefers visiting the beach over the mountains. 4. They would rather stay indoors when it's raining. They prefer staying indoors during the rain. 3. Would rather have. Used to express a preference for having one thing over another. Used to state a preference for a particular possession or situation. Examples. 1. Would rather have pizza for dinner. I prefer having pizza for dinner. 2. I would rather have tea instead of coffee. I prefer having tea over coffee. 3. He would rather have a quiet evening at home. He prefers having a quiet evening at home. 4. She would rather have a blue car than a red one. She prefers having a blue car over a red one. Summary of its three forms. Would rather than. It's used to show a preference between two options, favoring the first one. Example. I would rather swim than run. Would rather. It's used to state a preference for one option over another. Example. She would rather stay home. Would rather have. It's used to express a preference for possessing or experiencing one thing over another. Example. They would rather have pizza for dinner. Thanks for watching. Happy learning. Sunwheel Academy. Content is prepared by Chakra. Please like, share and subscribe.